Welcome to Lesson 3.2, Verifying Posts, Photos, and Claims. In today's digital world, information spreads within seconds. But speed does not guarantee accuracy. In this lesson, we will focus on practical methods to verify content before believing or sharing it. By the end of this lesson, you will understand why verification is essential in the digital age. You'll learn practical techniques to examine posts, images, and claims carefully. Most importantly, you'll develop stronger critical thinking skills that help you identify misinformation across different platforms. Verification begins with one simple principle: never assume accuracy. Every post, image, or claim should be treated as unverified until proven otherwise. When we verify content, we protect credibility, prevent the spread of misinformation, and support responsible decision-making. Accuracy is not optional, it is essential. Matching timestamps. One powerful verification method is comparing timestamps. If a photo or video claims to show a recent event, check when it was actually posted. Compare the time across different sources. Look for inconsistencies, such as different dates or time zones. Small discrepancies can reveal recycled or misleading content. Tools for verification. Fortunately, verification does not rely on guesswork. There are digital tools that help check timestamps and content authenticity. Online metadata viewers, digital clock comparisons, and verification platforms can help confirm when and where content was created. Using tools strengthens your ability to verify instead of relying on assumptions. Analyzing comments. Comment sections can provide valuable clues. Often, other users may point out inconsistencies or contradictions. Look carefully at discussions. Are there corrections? Are eyewitness accounts conflicting? Sometimes, misinformation is exposed directly within the conversation itself. Cross-platform verification. Never rely on a single platform. If a claim appears on one social media site, check whether credible sources or other platforms are reporting the same information. Cross-platform comparison helps reveal inconsistencies and strengthens the reliability of verified content. Consistency across sources increases credibility. Spotting fake pages. Fake pages and impersonators are common sources of misinformation. Examine profiles carefully. Look for missing verification badges, mismatched usernames, recent creation dates, or suspicious posting patterns. A quick profile check can prevent major misinformation mistakes. The best way to understand verification is through real examples. Case studies show how misinformation spreads, how it was detected, and what warning signs were missed. By analyzing real scenarios, you strengthen your ability to recognize patterns and avoid similar traps in the future.